Ka Jingïaid Kjat ka balai sngi lenter ban poi sha ulum ba bo ba kong kalong ka ba job ya ka ni ka Jingïaid Kjat la penlong da ka Khlaw Narpuh Tourism and Economic Development Society ya ka balas dang ya ka ni ka Jingïaid lenti ka balai sngi lenter ha Khlaw ka dei na du ka step jong ka art phaulai tarik menta ubenai bat penkut hadu ka art phausan tarik jan miet menta ubenai ha ka ni ka Jingïaid Kjat la ya Shim Bynta lang da ka Kynhun na ka Khlaw Narpuh Tourism Development Society ba kentup u president uba kulna suchang u secretary uba takmon Jimpan ka Kynhun na ka KSU Eastern Hills District bakan top u finance secretary uba shanya scam dakhar ka Kynhun jong uba shibor wa lang kanong tho ko bor jong Mawphor Highland Post na khliriat ka kong Eltron ka Kynhun jong katanat wildlife sanctuary na sona perdi bat na umkyang balalam khmat do FO ranger range forest officer in charge umkyang wildlife uba shanmiki law bat ubit officer in charge sonapur bit uba sarpu hakajing Shim Bynta lang hakajing Jingïaid Kjat ka balai sngi lenter Mawphor ula sakhi bakani ka Khlaw Narpuh wildlife sanctuary ka de shisha ka Khlaw ka barben ka bawat ki Kjat sngi kimla ban peiling ba shapo ka Khlaw kidon bunjat ki Jat ding ki Jat plang ki Jat jingthong ba pher ki badan hapo kani ka Khlaw kan thubru ki tiu ding balai phaujat ki sentiu Khlaw ka Khlaw ka sawa da ki sur bathyang jong ki sim ki bapa sngotanat bat ki risang laban ongru ba hapo kani ka Khlaw ki don bunjat ki merat namar la sakhi na ki din Kjat ki bapau lalap ru ba katanat wildlife jong ka umkyang bat sonapadi kala shnaru ya ki jaka penlang ha ka ba ki merat ki badan hapo ka Khlaw kinyo bandi na ki pung la sakhiru bawat la kadika kam ka ba hadu kata henry kinong tre jong katanat ki don shisha kata ka mensim jong ka jingkit khli ha ka ba ribat sumar bha yak ni ka Khlaw ka ba itanat bat ka barben bat ki don ru ka jingkit khli ha ka ba penne pensa ya ki merat badan hapo ka ni ka Khlaw kumjuru ya ki Jat jingthong ki badan ha ka ni ka Khlaw sngotanat ru ban ong babaro ki te ki Kynhun ki balawan bane Shim Bynta lang ha ka ni ka Jingïaid Kjat ki don ka mensim mariang bat airu ka jingetre lang bat katanat wildlife ha ka babaro omdon ki ba penkhen ya ki kendon an jong katanat wildlife na kaliang ka kot khobor jong Mawphor bat u Highland Post ru ni ai ka jingkhoble kit bok kit riang ya ka Khlaw Narpuh Tourism and Economic Development Society bakanang la banyat shaprang ha ka jingthmu ba bha ban penne pensa ya ka mei mariang kumjuru ban kentiu ya ka kam jong akai perthei ha ka than tungin sngap Bynta ya ka jingkran na u president uba kwil suchang uwe na kinong ya Kjat ba pau ka rilum jantia na uba shibor wa lang u officer jong katanat wildlife bat u shanmiki law bat u Dr. S Momin
lomba bubakong Devon Camp 1 dah yak duri, artinya bodi. Hari ini lewat dah sini. Awal jangan. Dap dah kajing sengungu kabakrau yuk boleh alam nanti yangi hakini ki laisngi armit bangila yawan ban tracking hapo ka wildlife sanctuary hangni hapo Narpuh aku ngilej ban yuk kjat ya ulum bakbo bakong bat kane ka Jingïaid jongi kalong kaba da sngiu tenat shisha bat kabalong kaba da sngiu hun shisha hakini ki armet laisngi bat kalong kaba success singi mentangila yok ban koi hakani ka jaka hawa lukha bat nga ai kuble ru ya ka tenat jongga wildlife sanctuary ka balayalam lenti yengi habarok ki lenti kitrak yolong ki babers pat ki ba itanap ha kitrak pinsa yo iru ki bangin sapus ha ki YouTube bat ha ki social media jongi kumtala na patlang ya pi baro anda ka Narpuh anda ka sona perdi tourism society anda kala organize yang sachisin pinya wanlang pinyo I pin saki daki khamat jong phi hi ya ka jing itanat jong kani ka Khlaw hangni hapo wildlife sanctuary bat nga ai kuble ya phi sachisin jong ya ka sona perdi tourism society ba kajing pho sniu jonga phil apan urlong ya ka bangala yo ban yu kjat ha uni ulum babu bakong kuble shibun.
Very pleasant experience right up from Latachera, driving up through the off-track rails and driving up 2 hours. It has been very pleasant experience all along, and getting to see such a forest, such a wonderful forest. In fact, it's not the first time that I've been entering a forest such as this, but it has been a very unique experience, I would say, walking through the forest canopy, going through some different trails. A very demanding hike, physically demanding hike, and it's been a very unique experience, I would say. And I'm so glad that even in place like Jingïaid Hills, we still have forests such as this, which is still untouched, undisturbed, and something we can see forest as it is. And this is something that we should continue to protect, continue to preserve. And I would like to thank the wonderful job that the Forest Department is doing in looking after and preserving this forest. And also I would like to give my big thanks to Sonapur Tourism and Economic Development Society for preparing all the logistics and doing all the arrangements for us to climb such a very physically demanding trek, and they've done a wonderful job in hosting all of us. And also I would like to thank Mawphor and his team also, and all the forest guards and all the locals of Sonapurdi also. They've done a wonderful job. It's a very pleasant experience, and overall I would like to express big thanks to all the team for everyone who has been taking care of all the arrangements like cooking and preparing all the meals and taking care of us all along the trek. So thank you once again. Thank you Forest Department. Thank you once again Sonapur Tourism Society and Mawphor and all my friends and our Surf Forest Ranger who is also here. So thank you. It's been a wonderful trek.
Còn là con chắp nhau có ngồi ở bên và để em rangkat Jingïaid trekking yang Hapoh Khlaw Narpuh Wildlife Sanctuary kemudian penbet dekat Sonapur Tourism and Economic Society aku mulai yuk kejat iau tu ulum bak bu bakong wada em kan nam ke buram wada tit ini duk kipor kiwa mencua duk kipor udang lai skori tersenyau ida benai kina ke nam yang ni ulum bat wa de ke da ke jing lam yang ke Sonaperdi Tourism Eco Development Society the yok you lai but the yok you kejat itu long kekejak Jepang Khlaw Narpuh Wildlife Sanctuary Khlaw Narpuh Wildlife Sanctuary tak kawi ke Khlaw bahwa da tipmit ke sarkar kam ka Narpuh Wildlife Sanctuary house nem arajar khatso but kejing he yang ke Khlaw em ka kam ba khat sanro khunde point khunde square kilometer but em ka Hapoh ke Jingpek yang ke Giant Hills Wildlife Division ko ha Hapoh ke Knat Forest Department but ya kini ke Khlaw da monitor but da protect ika langba ke range ko tip ikam mungkin yang wildlife range but Hapoh ke Jingil Hapoh yang ka em ki beat kam ke Sonapur Wildlife Beat ke Ratachara Wildlife Beat but ke Khadum Wildlife Beat but ki beat officer le am lang UI ko la tracking ko nyu ke Khlaw ta se nga ingo ya ublai wada yalam luti UI but kublai ya ke Sonaperdi Tourism and Eco Development Society wa da penbaj but da em ka jingit khle em ka jing thmu ha ko yalam ye ki khon yong kari jan tiang I ko po chdu tu lom ta kublai ye woro ki team member ki wada ya lai wat da ya Shim Bynta ha kani ka tracking wada mod em ka jing sao thu perdi yong I but langba ka jing sao thu da po jing job wa ye pendap ye kani ka tracking Jingïaid Kjat Hapoh ke tracking bala pelong daga Sonaperdi Tourism and Economic Development Society laduk ke arprai tarik mensisgi jong benai nomor senam arpuar pelai ilami nang tena Ratachara bat ni samit ang teha keria kejeka ke bahap Hapoh Khlaw Narpuh Wildlife Sanctuary te menin step dang step ni bujang imi na keria ngilai ban yuk Kjat haulum babo bakong tau ulum ubang ni thmu tumka society bat ni lang borok ke Shim Bynta kene ka Jingïaid Kjat ni kwa ban yuk Kjat temnin borok ni yo ban yuk Kjat yang tau ulum bapau ulum babo bakong te marsudak balik sangkai sepangapang te ulum babo bakong menin ngiwan hiar kaki sini sa waluka bat menne kamit niyo ban samit hangne hawaluka te menta ka de ka sini kawat ke balai ke kesini alpsan trik untau benai nombar senam arpuh pelai mening ngadap ban jadi sah ban ibam jingbam ban mentah ni kremi nang ni nawa luka Jingïaid Kjat lancer paduk lai kenta begini poe Khadum begini ni pai sela jong ki sem kena kaliang jong ka society ban na kaliang jong ni barok ke bai Shim Bynta kene ka Jingïaid Kjat nisnyo ban aingu nongkong yau try boleh nong bu nong thau bala sumar balari ni ke Jingïaid dan ti jungi kam dan kenu ka jingma aingu ya uble namar kena ka jingle bha bat ka jing snai ka jong bat kumju ngasnyo ban ai khuble ro ye Knat Wildlife Department ke bala guide ini ke bala sendran ini tinling ti ni hakene ke Jingïaid Kjat ke jongi ngadu mensisingi menin bat menta khuble sibun ni pi ka Wildlife Department ke bala ai jingbit ro ini banyak trekking bat ai jingbit ini bani Kjat Hapoh kene ka Khlaw Narpuh Wildlife Sanctuary berkumju ya borok ki baya Shim Bynta ngampu aban kho aban khat kerteng wei kublai sibun ni pi bat ai bakani ke Jingïaid Kjat ni menta ka singin penkut no ka jing penkut ke Jingïaid menta ka si thado bingin poe sela ke jong ki sem kublai sibun kublai si hajar ngo